Hey there, it's me, Donna, better known as Thriftastic Mom, here on YouTube. Welcome to my channel. As you can see, we are doing another grocery haul today. This is Aldi's and Food Lion. Most of it on the table is Aldi's, and a lot of it over there on my freezer is Food Lion, but a lot of it's got the name on it, so you'll see it. I'm just going to go over it and show you what I got, and you'll just see it's either from Aldi or Food Lion. So anyway, I got a nosy cat down there on the floor. Mama, go on. And we're going to get right on into it. Okay, down here in the chair, I have all of my bread. And remember, this is a monthly grocery haul. This is stuff that lasts us throughout the month, so we don't have to go hit the stores as much. So I did get 4 loaves of white bread. And there's some hamburger buns, because sometimes we all have hamburgers. And up here, I actually bought a loaf of sourdough bread this time. I love making sandwiches and stuff on this. So I picked up a loaf of that, because Aldi's sourdough bread is really good. So I picked up one of those. We got the Chef's Cupboard stuffing mix. And a lot of this is stuff that I got in my last haul. I just do rebuys. Carlini oil back here. I got a big box of the Regano elbow macaroni, which I didn't realize it was that big, but that'll last me a while. I got a bag of potatoes, like baking potatoes. They're russet. Big bag of those, 5-pound bag. I got a bag of onions. I got this thing of hash browns again. I like having these in the freezer because I can throw a few in the air fryer, take them with me and eat them on the way, or eat them here. So they're a quick, easy breakfast. I got these Kirkwood chicken fries again because I just like these things. They're really good. They're actually way better than a nugget. So I like them, and you can cook them in the air fryer real easy. So I like that because it's mid-July. You don't want to be cranking up that oven and stove no more than you have to, right? Bremer garlic chicken. Bought that again because I like that. I got 2 of these extra fine green beans that we like. 2 bags of those. I got 3 heads of lettuce. I got 6 cucumbers, because we like to put these in salads, and sometimes we'll have one on the side of our meal. So I got 6 of them. I got 2 zucchini. I got some meats here. I got Kirkwood chicken thighs. I got the ground beef patties. I got a thing of 3 pork chops again. I still got my other pork chops in the freezer. So I got 2 packs of pork chops now. I got 3 Roma tomatoes. I picked up this Parkview Polska kielbasa. I got a brown gravy mix. That's my cat. Appleton Farms premium sliced bacons. I got 2 of those. And I bought this big thing of ground beef again. It was $27.54, which was actually, I think, a little bit cheaper than last week's. I don't remember for sure. A thing of iodized salt. Another thing of the Millville grits. I got 2 things of this Burman soy sauce. I got a thing of yellow mustard. I was running out of all of my condiments at the end of the month. Original Burman's barbecue. I got the Millville original syrup. I got, let's don't do that. Let's go this way. I got a thing of the Black Forest ham. I got a thing of these Parkview hot dogs. I got 2 of these Parkview cheddar brats. Get down, Liz. Get down. Get out the way. Feta cheese. All this came from Aldi's. Brookdale chicken breast. 2 things of these golden 12-count white eggs. They're the large white eggs. I got 2 things of these whole potatoes in the can. I got 2 of these banana peppers by Tuscan Garden. I got a breaded butterfly shrimp. I got a Bremer corn dogs again. Them are pretty good corn dogs. I got the Boulder twin lock freezer bags. You get 30. I got a Bremer Salisbury steak and gravy. I got, of course, 6-pack of paper towels. I got this Bakehouse pie crust. You get 2 of them in a pack. I got a thing of Brookdale original chili. I got 3 cans of these Happy Harvest green beans. 1 little can of cream of chicken. I got 2 things of sliced cheese here by Happy Farms. I got 3 things of the tuna, chunk light tuna in waters. These are by Northern Catch. Casa Mabino diced tomatoes. I got 1 of those. And I got 2 of these Happy Harvest sweet corns. I got another box of dirty rice mix. I got another box of these Fuchsia egg rolls. Me and my husband had those for lunch one day. They were good. Up here I got 2 garlic toast. We like to have those with spaghetti. Down here, this is mostly Food Lion stuff. I ordered 2 pizzas, but I think she said that she didn't have those 2, so she gave me this Food Lion Rising Crust pizza, pepperoni pizza, so I only got 1. I normally get 2, but I only got 1. That must be all they had. I got a couple of ears of corn, which are very, very small. Or did she just give me 2? I thought I ordered 4. I don't know. That might be all they had. I'll have to check my list. But I ordered some fresh corn. Okay, up here we got Louisiana tea bags. Louisiana tea bags. Whoops, it fell on the floor. I got Blue Bonnet Light, 2 of them. I got this Food Lion Ranch dressing. I got 3 bags of these Food Lion Zero Sweeteners. I got 2 packs of this grape Kool-Aid mix. I got a thing of peanut butter by Cha-Ching. I got another thing of Food Lion spaghetti, the pre-sized one, or pot-sized one. A thing of mayonnaise, Food Lion real mayonnaise. Food Lion dark roast coffee. I got this big thing of Food Lion non-dairy coffee creamer in original. And this time I got the right size cheese. I got 2 of these Food Lion sharp cheddar cheese in the 1-pound blocks. Here's my other one. Everything's stacked up, y'all. Food Lion baby cut carrots. These are 2 big bags because I love carrots. I got my husband 6 of these Food Lion Diet Colas. I got me 3 of the Diet Dr. Perky's. And, oh, this is the bag of chicken legs like I bought in my last haul. It's just a big bag of, like 5-pound bag of chicken legs. And I'll break them down, put them in my freezer. I got 2 more of these ham steaks. These were actually good ham steaks. We eat these the other day. I got this big thing of Gwaltney Great Dogs. I'll break these down. I got these Food Lion flour tortillas in the 8-inch round for tacos. I got Food Lion Concord grape jelly, Cha-Ching tomato ketchup, a Food Lion chunky roasted garlic and herb pasta sauce. And I think that's it. I know I'm rushing through this, but my husband brought me home some dinner. And I want to eat it before it gets too cold. So I'm trying to rush through my grocery haul here. But that's everything, guys. That's everything that I got. Hope you enjoyed seeing my grocery haul from Food Lion and Aldi. And I guess I will see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, hype, all the good things. I appreciate it so much. And I appreciate you for being here. Have a great week. God bless. Bye.